Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you some more foam rolling alternatives. So if you're struggling with your ankle flexibility or you feel like your calves are tight, rather than going for 20 odd minutes of just rolling your calves to death and trying to do all these things here in between, do exercises that require you to have to move your knee over your toes. So a lot of people will actually find that even if their squat starts to look like this when they're going and they can't start to get down, they'll generally find that if they go into this position here, the knee goes over the toe absolutely fine. So working on that will be more important to do rather than just rolling out the calves, because a lot of times it's just more of an idea of control rather than tightness. So learning how to control the range down here like this, and then going through exercises that require you to do this, even sets of lunges where the knee is actually going over the toe, is going to help you to actually work on your squat and being able to get the knees to come forward in the bottom of your squat. Okay guys?